Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how to change your name in Epic 7 using your mobile device. To change your nickname in Epic 7, first of all, open up the Epic 7 application and log into your account. From the main home screen, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Now, from the menu that pops up, tap on Change Nickname. Enter your nickname you'd like to change to in the text box. After you type down your name, tap on Double Check and then click on the Change button. Confirm that you'd like to change your name by clicking Confirm. And that's how you easily change your name or your nickname in Epic 7. Remember that you can only change your name once, so be sure to make a wise choice. That is how you easily do it. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.